you can't send messages for 3 days on Instagram. So if you're having this kind of issues that Instagram says that you cannot send messages, it's most likely because Instagram detected some kind of suspicious activity from your account, and that is why they have went ahead and then restricted it, right? Now, Instagram limits direct messages to prevent spam. If a user receives a warning about sending too many messages, they might be temporarily unable to send more. Now, here are some things that you can try. You can try to check Instagram limits, because Instagram can only forward a message to 5 chats at once. You can also try to clear the Instagram cache. Now, if you're using iPhone, you can try to offload and reinstall the app. But for Android users, you can just long press on that app icon, tap on the I button to simply come to its app info page. Then from there, you want to simply head over to storage, then just clear the cache files, and you can also try to clear the data. Once you've done that, you will be able to wait for a couple of seconds and you'll be able to re-log in and basically go ahead and then send DMs again. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.